dati pod smrekca. Joj, kako ste bili letos vsi pridilajte, koliko veliko darili imam. Ježeš. Ja, škratki, ja mi boste kaj pomagali. Evo. Joj, še en. Tale je bil za poredanega Jana. Aj prav. Kar v koj smrekce. Gremo. Zdaj si bomo pa podajali darila in skupaj peli pesmico, ki jo vsi poznamo. Aj prav? No, bomo pa kar začeli. Da se malo grejem. Okay. Cin, 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 zvončki pojejo, lep je ta božični čas, ki zima. Cin, 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 zvončki pojejo, lep je ta božični čas, ki zima vročuje. No, pa gremo, ljubčki, no.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Yes, I did.
But the very next day, you gave it away.
Yeah.
This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Yeah, we got a sound, make the world go round. Yo, it's 9-8, still coming through with the get down. But this time it's Christmas, cold outside. Everybody looking good, even bombs looking fly. And it's on like that. Yo, it's time to represent. Trying to stay alive, spreading love to your friends. We still shining, keeping it nice this year. Yo, I'm trying to pay my dues, prepare for next year.
I gave you real love and you took it for granted. Coming through the world and you couldn't even handle it. Sweets and the roses was yours, no doubt. But you played me wrong, now you gotta ride out.
You know I shed some tears last time because of you. Now my mind is free and the love is brand new. No more games, yo, it's time to move on. No more sleepless nights and the same old sad song.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. But the very next day,